Hey guys, welcome back to Noise Fest RC. Got a small package to share with you guys for my CEN. Got this a while back, I didn't have the body, so wasn't able to put it on right away. But I got the body now. I just want to see if these are going to actually fit for fit on the truck. This is going to be the D-rings for the truck. I bought some black ones. I got them off from eBay. So I'm just hoping they're going to work, or at least hoping they're going to fit. So it's something like this. So yeah, it's going to be something like that. So let's check it out and see if it's going to fit. I wanted to put them right there. I want it to go right there. So I think it will fit. Probably put it on top. Just gotta drill the body. I got 4 of them, one on each side. I think it'll look pretty cool. Have these D-rings on the. These are heavy duty. They're all metal. So I think it's gonna look pretty cool to get these on there. Like that. Sorry, I keep missing them, guys. I'm using my phone, not using my GoPro like you always do. But yeah, I think we're gonna be good. The back is what I'm concerned about, and the reason being is because the bumper has like an indentation. So I'm not sure if it's going to actually fit, but let's see. You see that right there? That's what I'm talking about. So I'm hoping this is going to fit. Let's see. It's going to be a little too big. See that? It'll fit on the side. We'll make it work somehow. So yeah, guys, that's what I want to show you. Let me see if I can get it somewhat installed, and I'll come back to the mic. Hey guys, welcome back. So just want to share with you, I got the D-rings installed on the truck. If you can see that. I was going to put them higher, but then it wasn't going to look right, so I decided just to put them lower. And I might buy some hooks and put them on here just to cover that up. But I think it looks pretty cool. They're all nice and bolted on there with the nuts in behind it. And I did the back as well. Let me show you. You see that? There's the D-rings. So yeah, I think it looks pretty cool. It looks pretty dope. It fits well because I like the black on blue. I think it looks real good. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. The small upgrade I did to my CEN F450. Like I said, I got more stuff to install. So just taking it day by day. But I'll get more stuff installed and I'll do another video. Thanks guys, talk to you later. Bye.